How many of you guys have clients that you freshly glazed or toned, whether it's like a level 9V or silver, whether you accidentally turn on the iron way too high, or maybe they went home and they took a hot shower, they went tanning, they have hot sex, you know, and then they decide to flat iron their hair a couple times, and then their hair turns yellow. Have you guys seen that? And the more you tone their hair, the more dingier it gets, right? So I don't want anyone to think that this is anything brand specific. I think it's really important that this is across the board of hair color. It doesn't matter if you're using mydentity or if you're using any brand, okay? This could happen to any brand. Every color is sensitive to high heat. It's almost like jumping in lava, you know? You're gonna die, you're gonna melt. Okay, so I'm gonna turn her on up to 455 degrees, okay? So this iron is really hot. And most of the time when we turn on our irons, how many times you guys just turn on high heat and start flat ironing? Anyone? Most people do. Some irons don't have temperature control, right? So let's put both of these up, okay? So I'll flat iron this. We're gonna do 5 seconds, okay? So we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you guys see that? The color changed instantly, right? And that's just 5 seconds. And this is not mydentity, by the way. This is just another color line. I just want to show you guys that it doesn't matter. I think when rose gold and silver smoke first came out, everybody's like, oh, it fades so fast. Guy Tang sucks, you know? But it's like, really? Every color line fades. You see this? Every color line, right? And you know what's crazier? I want to show you something. This is 5 seconds, but imagine 20 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, right? So now it's even more yellow. So think about over time, if you iron your hair 20 times on high heat, what it can do. So people would tell me on YouTube, well, nobody holds the iron in one spot for a long time. Yes, they do. Curling irons. So when you curl the hair, you will put it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you hold there for a few minutes. Don't you think that's the same thing? So you're burning the color off. So let's say you do go by really fast. So take a look at the ends here. So we could hold it up just a titty bit higher. Okay. So you can see that it's starting to fade slightly. Do you see that? Okay, so 2. See that? Do you guys see it starting to fade slowly? How many of you guys have experienced this before? Raise your hand. Right? And what do we do as human beings? We blame the product company. We blame the product. In fact, as humans, we never want to blame ourselves. We never do. It's you and you and you. You.